Here's how to give Robux to your friends.
Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Tap on More at the bottom right, scroll down and tap on Create. We're going to create a game pass so that they can give money to you or you can give money to them. Now tap on your experience or place at the very bottom here. Make sure it is set to public. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the top left, scroll down, and then you're going to look for the option that says under monetization, tap on passes. Now let's hit create a pass, and you're just going to name this pass whatever you want. Something like give me money, and then hit done. At the very bottom, we're going to hit create pass, and there you can see give me money. I can tap on it, and you'll be able to see it opens up this game pass. I'm going to set this to for sale by tapping the three lines at the top left and then hit sales. From here, I'm going to turn on item for sale and set this to however many Robux you want your friends to give you. Let's say 1,000 Robux. Now keep in mind, Roblox does take 30% of this, so they won't get all of it. After you've done that, all you need to do is hop out of here, go home, and then go to please donate and hit play. After you're on please donate, all you need to do from here is go to a booth, just find an empty booth like this one, and then you can press and hold to claim it, and somebody else can go here and essentially give you Robux, or you can give them Robux as well.